For commercial and industrial energy storage projects, system reliability starts with the battery cabinet. This is Bonnen Battery's 100 kilowatt-hour commercial battery storage cabinet, designed for project developers, EPC companies, and energy storage integrators who need a practical, cabinet-level solution for real sites. The system is built around lithium iron phosphate battery technology, selected for stable performance, long cycle life, and strong safety characteristics. With a 100 kilowatt-hour energy capacity in one cabinet, it can support solar plus storage projects, factory energy management, peak shaving, backup power, microgrids, and other commercial energy storage applications. For integrators, a battery cabinet is not only about capacity. It also needs to fit into the full power system. That means electrical protection, battery management, communication, PCS and EMS integration, service access, and a cabinet structure that is practical for installation and maintenance. In this video, we will take a closer look at the cabinet from the outside to the inside. From the front view, the cabinet is designed as a compact energy storage unit for commercial and industrial environments. It can be used as a single cabinet system or combined with additional cabinets when the project requires higher total capacity. When the cabinet is opened, the internal design shows the core of the system. The battery modules are arranged for structured installation and service access. The battery management system monitors key operating conditions and helps manage safety, performance, and communication across the system. For EPC and integration projects, this internal architecture matters. A good energy storage cabinet should be easy to connect, easy to inspect, and clear for engineers to understand during installation, commissioning, and long-term operation. Bonnen Battery supports customers not only with battery products, but also with engineering support for lithium battery and energy storage projects. Our team works with customers on voltage, capacity, application requirements, cabinet design, BMS matching, communication protocol, and system integration needs. For overseas EPC companies, solar installers, commercial energy storage integrators, and industrial project developers, Bonnen Battery can help turn project requirements into a practical lithium battery solution. If you are planning a commercial or industrial energy storage project, contact Bonnen Battery with your target capacity, system voltage, site conditions, PCS or EMS requirements, and project timeline.